My name is David Jackson. I am a research assistant at VCU School of Engineering. I research in the area of computer science and security. This video is about how the VCU Security Lab was involved with the NSF Innovation Corps program. It was a program designed to teach engineers and scientists how to commercialize great research breakthroughs, in particular, research that was funded by NSF. And one of the goals of the NSF Innovation Corps program was to accelerate research from universities and transition it to the market. So the society in large could benefit from that. During the program, my team and I got to travel to places like San Francisco, San Diego, Washington, D.C., and Phoenix to meet with industry experts in cloud security, which is what we were doing, and to see if there was a need for our research or how our research could better serve their needs. Our lab's research is on developing better mechanisms for user privacy. Now, we believe this is a very important topic because it's one of the critical barriers for cloud adoption. And we believe a more secure, a more private cloud would enable users, more people out there that are privacy conscious, to use the cloud. In the existing cloud architecture, the cloud administrators have full control and access over a user's cloud instance. Google, for example, states that users have no legal expectation of privacy for using their cloud services. And what's more is that these providers are handing over user data to government agencies at the request of subpoenas, as you can see displayed by Google's transparency report. Most alarming is that this can be done without the consent or knowledge of the company it belongs to. Keep in mind that Google is just one of many cloud providers that maintains the same stance on privacy and offers no tangible proof of privacy except for a user agreement. And that's why our research targets more on the software mechanisms and relying on some of the hardware components to automate some of this privacy protection and not leave it in the hands of the system administrators or to some privacy policy. Let's consider a real-world example of separation of powers for banks and their safety deposit box services. While the bank provides the physical hosting of the box, both parties must present their keys in order to gain access to the contents. The bank cannot look at the contents without the owner's knowledge. If a subpoena is presented, the bank has to drill out the user key as well as notifying the owner of the event. Now, we strongly believe here at VCU that the privacy policy of the deposit box service is an excellent idea that should carry over to the cloud industry. In particular, the concept of a bank relinquishing some of its power by handing the owner a separate and necessary key appeals to the owner's need for tangible proof of privacy. We believe that such an idea would appeal to many current and potential cloud users because now they have more than a user agreement to guarantee privacy. Now I'm going to let two of the research assistants in our lab that did most of the development for our cloud privacy mechanisms do the talking. They are Min and Zili.
Hi, my name is Min Li. I'm the research assistant at VCU Security Lab. And the topic I'm working on is a new cloud platform design. And the platform we design is called MyCloud.
All right, what is the responsibility of the cloud platform?
The cloud platform is actually a software stack that maintains the virtual machine of users in cloud.
And how is your cloud platform different than commercial platforms?
The responsibility of our platform is designed with security in mind. So the first difference is that we reduce the power of the control VM. In that case, the malicious administrators cannot abuse their power of the control VM and to disclose user privacy. The second this difference is that we allow users to set up the policy to the access right for each byte they store in the cloud. And so the third difference is that we provide access control mechanism which can monitor each resource access for different roles in the cloud.
Okay, I'm Zilija, and I am a research assistant in the security lab at VCU. And my research is mainly about it's focused on how to protect user privacy from untrusted operating systems using virtualization-based approaches.
Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for listening, and this is a VCU ongoing project.